going to study about descriptive writing. Descriptive writing is a vast topic. Today I'll give you the introduction briefly. Now you all must be wondering, what is descriptive writing? Well, let me tell you, descriptive comes from the word describe. Yes, we are going to describe something and write more information about it. The purpose of descriptive writing is to describe a person, place, or thing in such a way that a picture is formed in the reader's mind. Capturing an event through descriptive writing involves paying close attention to the details by using all your five senses. In descriptive writing, the writer must describe the place, object, or feeling so well that the reader can easily picture it in his or her mind. Now, there are some methods of descriptive writing. First is picture description. Write a paragraph based on what you see in the picture. Closely watch the details and write whatever you see in the picture. Discussion questions. Read and answer the questions to write a paragraph accordingly. Brainstorming. Think and generate ideas to write a paragraph. This includes the generation of concrete and sensory details to describe given objects. Now, how do we start a topic? The topic sentence must provide the main idea of the writing. It gives general information related to the topic, helps in grabbing reader's attention. So in short, description tells us what something looks and sounds, smells or tastes or feels like. Now the topic we are doing in descriptive writing today is a day at the beach. As you can see, there are two pictures in the slide. In order to write description about the beach, we have to closely notice the details and study the questions given below. Then with the help of these picture and question, we can easily write the description of the beach. Our topic for today is a day at the beach. Now, what are the points that must be included in your writing? First is topic sentence. For example, a trip to beach is very relaxing. Beach is the best place to visit with family. It's fun to spend a day at a beach. Beaches are relaxing and peaceful places for a vacation. To start your paragraph, you must mention that which beach you plan to go and with whom. Like we usually go with our family, friends. Secondly, what are the things you carried with yourself? Such as a food basket, some things to play with, such as ball, some tools for building a sandcastle. How did you go? What transportation did you use? What did you see there? Beach is a vast piece of land. There are so many things to observe. What did you do there? Built a castle, played some ball. Some people love to play volleyball at the beach. Some likes to play kite at the beach. My favorite activity at the beach is sky gazing. You can also include what is your favorite thing about the beach, why you love to go there. You can even see a very rare sea animal at the beach. Which thing you found the most dangerous over there and why? These things can be included in the descriptive writing. In the end, we will go through an example, a day at a zoo. It's fun to visit a zoo, especially with friends and family. I visited National Zoo last summer with my family in a bus. I really enjoyed the bus ride with my cousins. We stopped for a while to have some delicious breakfast. I saw many animals there.
I saw giraffes, zebra, lion, monkeys, and elephants. I even had the chance to see different kinds of bird and butterflies. I carried sandwiches and mango shake with me, which I enjoyed eating with my family. There was a small park too with lots of coconut trees and a small pond. After eating sandwiches, I did horse and elephant riding. I wanted to do camel riding too, but my grandfather informed us that the zoo is going to be closed in an hour, so we should start getting ready to head back home. I reached home at 6 o'clock in the evening. As you can see in this example, I have pointed out with whom I have been to the picnic, what transportation have I used, what things I have carried with myself, and different activities that I have done in during my picnic. So I hope with this example you have understood the our topic of descriptive writing. We will discuss more about this topic in our online class. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.